The Honourable Member for Humber River, Black Creek.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. It is deeply disturbing to hear about the growing persecutions of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community around the world. In recent weeks, the media burst with the news about the unlawful raids, detentions, and killings of Ahmadiyya Muslims in Burkina Faso and Pakistan. The safety of the community in Afghanistan, Algeria, and Sri Lanka is also deeply concerning. No individual should be persecuted for one's right to freedom of religion. Everyone, alone or in a community, publicly or privately, has a universal right to practice and manifest his or her religion. Here in Canada, we are proudly enjoying the ability to freely practice our faith. Ahmadiyya Muslims in Canada take this freedom and give back generously by consistently helping those in need, raising funds for local hospitals,